Hi guys, I'm Ariel Grey, and if you want to know how to go from this to this, or maybe you want pastel pink hair or any other pastel color that's going to wash out to a level 9 blonde in 6 to 8 washes. If you do, then you're at the right place. But today I will be teaching you how to bleach your roots and any new growth back to blonde.
Brought to you by Calypso. Get your drink on, bitch.
So here you see all the products that you're going to need. Starting off with developer, I would go with 20 if your hair isn't virgin. This is the bleach that I like to use from Sally's. For both of these I paid about $30. You're also going to need a hand mirror and possibly something to drink. I do have my Alphabet People juice here. You're also going to need some Crocodile Clips, a dye brush, some gloves. I use latex free because I'm allergic to latex. You're going to need a mixing bowl for the bleach. You can use a ceramic bowl if you need to, and I would recommend only using a whisk on bleach because it will oxidize hair dye. I already combed my hair, but always comb your hair. This is a demonstration. Don't comb your hair like this. Okay, so always start off by putting your gloves on before you touch any of these products, because if you get it in your hands, you have the potential to get it on your face. With a bucket like this, I would recommend always using at least one of these scoops. If there's extra, just get rid of it. You really don't want to run out of bleach before you finish your hair. Next, you're going to start with the developer. You're going to want to do 2 parts developer, 1 part bleach. I worked with bleach for 1200 hours, so I know how to do it by sight. I'm going to show you guys what it's supposed to look like by just mixing it. You really don't want it grainy. What you want it to look like is almost like cake batter. I don't know if you guys are bakers. If not, then almost like toothpaste. You do want it to be slightly runny so that it does penetrate the hair. Like here, I'm already done and it looks a little fluffy. That's what you want the consistency to look like. Don't mix anything else in there. I start off in the middle part because that's the center of your hair. You do want to push the hair aside with your hands and just hold it there, or you can just use a clip. Always wipe it off your face. You don't want it to sit on your skin at all. I'm using my glasses for extra protection. Get it, yeah. As I was saying, I'm using glasses for extra protection. If you use contacts and it gets in your eyes, make sure to rinse with water for at least 30 to 45 seconds until it stops burning. You want to make sure to saturate your sides really well so that there's no lines and there's no dark spots anywhere. If your hands get tired, you can always stop and take a break, but you should always apply the bleach as quickly as possible. The longer it sits in the bowl, the more potential it has for drying out. Make sure to take your time with sectioning the front of your hair. You are going to leave the bleach on for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Bleach will stop working if it dries out, so you got to make sure to add a layer every once in a while of bleach. And there you have it. Now you know how to bleach your own roots at home. And once you're done applying, just remember to leave it on for 45 minutes to 1 hour. It will stop working once it dries out, or just wash it out. Okay guys, so at this point it's been 23 minutes that I finished putting the bleach on my hair. To keep it fresh and keep it from getting dry, I do put a small little layer of bleach every 10 minutes. So I've done it twice now. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 view. So the process should finish in about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and start making the purple shampoo on camera so that you guys can see how to make it. I'm allergic to most purple shampoos, which is why I have to make it on my own. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Hi guys, so hopefully your hair ends up looking something close to this. As you can tell, there is no dark spots in my hair. Everything is nice and evenly bleached, even the sides, the back as well. I'm going to show you guys a 360 view. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and like, follow, maybe even share. I'll be posting more this week. See you guys soon.
Calypso. Get your drink on, bitch.